Hi, we're thoroughly enjoying the journey of building a purpose driven enterprise, transforming the construction industry through Lean Kaizen and Six Sigma excellence, and creating a future ready workforce for the construction industry who is able to deliver things of the highest quality in the very first attempt and not the second. So, while doing so, I wanted to share a learning which we had in the last few months about 0 to 1. So, what 0 to 1 actually means? So, 0 to 1 is about the real problems what your customers are facing, the validation from the real users, paid engagements followed by a value delivery, and moreover, solving one thing really well or doing one thing really well. So for us, it was about what is happening on the construction sites every single day. So, so when we tried to deep dive into the pain areas, we could see the idle machinery, frequent overruns, quality related issues, finishing, concreting related issues. The same work has been done by different people in different ways. A lot of rework is happening, and so many other things. So we came up with a simple solution to start with a one-day workshop of your choice, which will basically address your immediate need, followed by a Kaizen blitz to help you to understand the impact of these methodologies on the bottom line, and followed by a future collaboration. And we are extremely confident about one thing, that this will set the tone, or be a strong foundation for future relationships. Now, so the learning for us was 0 to 1 is not about big launch or months of strategy, pitch deck, funding, and so many other things. So this made the journey more interesting. Now, when I say interesting means I'm seeing so many construction projects basically have an ambition of building something valuable, lasting, impactful, and still majority of the projects are going through similar issues. For example, rising cost. The team is constantly reacting to the problems instead of preventing them. They are not able to avoid rework. Now, at Ascendia Holding, what we believe is if we embed Lean, Kaizen, and Six Sigma, um, we can work in a different way. What do I mean by that? I mean that the impractical implementation of these methodologies on the ground will basically help to streamline or strengthen the collaboration between the design, engineering, and the site execution teams. Plus, it will help them to avoid the rework, eliminate the waste, improve the processes, solve the problems in a structured way, and so many other things. So, currently, we are working with the contractors, the project owners, the real estate and construction enterprises, the government entities in Middle East, Africa, Europe, and Southeast Asia. Now, instead of fitting into the system, we are trying to break the system uh, by shifting from the old ways to the new ways. Now, what do I mean by old ways? Instead of firefighting problems, can we plan with confidence? Can we move in a structured way? Instead of rework and delays, can we basically take a predictable approach of doing things? Instead of one time fixes, can we build a culture of continuous improvement? And if we do so, it will really have an impact on the bottom line. Now, uh, we recently met a potential enterprise who will definitely be a client of Ascendia Holding. We are building an AI powered continuous improvement platform which will embed Lean, Kaizen, Six Sigma all together, which will help the enterprise to automate the performance tracking, plus centralize the continuous improvement tools for measurable benefits. Now, before we go ahead and come up with this AI powered continuous improvement tool, be happy, peaceful, and count your blessings. Thank you so much for stopping by and listening.